Welcome back. In last video we have seen that how the student will give the online exam, right? We also have feature like creating a practice. Means how student, if you don't create any exam for the student and student have to want to give any exam or practice, so they can do it, right? Suppose they have to for that they have to go to the practice. His add button. This is a practice which has created by the student. They have to click on the add button. The name of the online practice demo in English, right? We just make any of the name from and make a duration is it around 20 minutes. You can student also make any remarks over here. Select the module type JEE. We are right now creating a numerical type practice. If we select a multiple languages also we can put it. The subject selection we can do it. Level of this questions you want. Chapter you can select, like I'll select any mathematics randomly from the every, right? You can also select the subtopics of the chapter. Okay, if the student wants to make a practice from PYQ only, then they also select JEE PYQ, NEET PYQ. This type of the PYQ also be available, right? Here he put the like a 20 MCQ from section A, and section B is a numerical section, right? So they want to create an exam same as a JEE type. So here he put a in the section B 10 and 20. Out of 10 there is a 5 are optional. What is meaning is that in a section B there is a 10 numerical, out of 10 there is a 5 are optional, right? This is the meaning of the section B optional. When they click on the create button, the practice will automatically created. Students do not have any access of the viewing the data bank. They just go to the system will automatically generate a practice for the student. Student cannot see the data bank of the questions, right? So when they click on that one, this is a practice set. So I just give the demo of the numerical pad also, so they can, this is a numerical pad. So this type student will give the online practice, right? If you not create any exam, or student if he completed any chapter and he wants to create practice for that, he can create practice, right? Submit exam. When they click on the submit exam, the result will directly visible to the student. When they click on the result, he will get a result. He will get the result same as a exam type, right? If we click any of that one, he also get that which year this question will ask in the previous year of examination. So he will get the type of the result in a practice menu also, right? So we just put this video completed over here. So we will go for the next video. Thank you.